Hello, we're at 900 Powell and this is apartment 7. This is a 1-bedroom unit and we are located on the 2nd floor of the building, and the building has 3 floors altogether. All right when you come in the front door of the apartment, first thing you'll come to is the coat closet. Okay, it's a pocket door style door on the coat closet. And then next is the bathroom. So we have a nice modern bathroom. There is a back door that opens for ventilation, also an exhaust fan above that. Got a mirrored vanity, stone countertop there around the sink, and cabinet and 2 drawers underneath, tile floor. And then this unit has a shower with tile surround and a glass shower door. Okay, this unit has hardwood floors everywhere except for the bathroom and kitchen. Okay, coming into the living room, nice spacious living room. It has beautiful Edwardian details. A pocket door here between the living room and the bedroom. We are in the back of the building here, so looking out onto a small side street behind the building called Miller Place. Okay, there is the heater for the unit there on the left, electric wall-mounted heater. And then on the right, you see some additional cabinet space here, and somewhere where you could put bar stools for a little dining area. And then when we come into the kitchen, you'll see that it's got a fridge, a microwave, gas stove, dishwasher, and disposal. And the stone countertops match what's in the bathroom. You know, so there's a nice cohesive style throughout the unit. Okay, and then last but not least, we've got the bedroom. You could do a queen size bed or smaller. You could fit a king, but I just feel like a queen would allow you other bedroom furniture more comfortably. Okay, there's the electric wall-mounted heater for this room. And as I mentioned before, these pocket doors do open between the bedroom and the living room if you prefer. Okay, and then here is the bedroom closet. Got a shelf up top and a bar there for hanging. And there's room in here if you would want to put a small dresser as well. Okay, and again, a window that is facing out onto that little side street behind the building called Miller Place. And then there you'll see the cable for Comcast, otherwise known as Xfinity. So that's Miller Place that we're looking at. All right, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please don't apply without visiting in person first. And also please note that this building does have laundry. Oh, we're gonna get that taken off. So there's 2 washers, 2 dryers, and it is app-based payment. Okay, thanks so much for watching.